Hello once again, everyone. It's Jason. It's been a hot minute since I have had a chance to do any recording because, holiday and life and whatnot. But we're back at it here in the city of Stormwind. As you can see, our guy has got some pretty good rested XP, but we're just a couple of bubbles away from 20. We're like almost 2 bubbles away from level 20. So we'll get right into it to see if we have anything that needs to be turned in. So I believe Straight Solomon. He is in Lakeshire. And then, so we've been obviously to Lakeshire. We've picked up a few of those quests. We have a Dark Threat Looms to be completed, which is Lochmodon, but it's actually it's more like the wetlands. It's between the wetlands and Blackarathe Highlands. So we'll see. I don't know. I've not heard of any recent shenanigans with the dragon coming in and killing everybody. So that's good. I don't see any skeletons around. So at least those shenanigans have been ceased for now. Are we ready to go? Yeah, we're good to go. Oh. So as I'm recording this, it is Saturday evening, the 27th of November. It's a little after, or a little bit before 8 o'clock Central Standard. As I mentioned, it has been a while between videos.
What can I do for you?
So what do we want to do? Let us... Tell you what, let's go to Lakeshire. So I think we do have a quest to turn in Lakeshire. So let's go ahead and do that. Trust everyone had good holidays, as we're just a couple of days after Thanksgiving. I did get some time Thanksgiving morning. I had some time to, I think I had some, I'm trying to think about what I did when I logged in on Thanksgiving morning. I think I had a couple of auctions that I had to pick up, still able to make those wands and sell them for, it seems like whatever I want to do. It was about 17 gold, or excuse, yeah, that'd be awesome. 17 silver and some odd copper, and I had 2 of them to sell. So if you want to do, I guess even at this level, I guess we'll see now because I'm level 19. A lot of the people that are just doing a main character, rolling them through, probably have already progressed on to the level that they're going to be at, so there's going to be less and less competition. But maybe if people are going to start rolling alts, I mean, I don't know. I've got one alt that I'm going to try to dedicate some time to, maybe. That's a priest. I started him, played him, and I think he's parked in Goldshire. And I have my other character that I've created. We'll see if we get to play him. It is the, so it's going to be a gnome warrior. Because I really want to, I really would like to try to play a warrior and give it a good try. I've played warrior in the past, but not really that far. I mean, I never really progressed a character much beyond like the level 20 or so. And there are a lot of quirks to playing a warrior, and it's really hard sometimes to level and progress a warrior. But if you play the warrior as a tank, then you're always going to be in demand. The problem is I don't necessarily like to play my tank or my warrior is a tank. Anyway, on with this quest. Messenger to Westfall. Shall we expect the people's militia soon? Does Lord Stoutmantle's news bode well? I do say, this is not good at all. I did not realize that Stoutmantle's situation was not unlike ours here in Lakeshire. What action is so important that it calls the Stormwind army away from its people? Bah! I should not ponder aloud. Here, messenger, accept these coins in exchange for your service to the township. I might call upon you again. Like almost immediately. Yeah, message to Darkshire. Who is this mage who goes before the court of Lakeshire in the kingdom of Stormwind? State your business within this township, human. The orc threat to the kingdom is far too great to squander time in idle conversation, which is really weird because, I mean, he's a human, right? He speaks to me like I'm not human. He says, state your business within the township, human. You're a human. Okay, anyway. Messenger to Darkshire. So here we go. This is the fetchiest of fetch quests, but it gives you pretty good coin and decent XP. I require your assistance once again. I have written to Lord Ebonlock requesting that he sends his trained guards, the Night Watch, to help with Lakeshire's defense. It is imperative this message make it to him swiftly. You must exercise extreme caution. Ebonlock is the mayor of Darkshire in the heart of Duskwood. Do not stray from the roads. Which I've already been, thankfully, because I knew of this quest and knew what it would require, and I think I can go ahead and accept this now.
How are you? See you around.
So I went ahead and finished up the Dry Times quest. That was where you had to get some alcohol from the various towns and deliver them to the fella here in this particular area in the inn over there. He requested that you turn in I think it was 4 different vials of liquor. One from the one from the dwarf out in Westfall, one from Goldshire, one from Stormwind, and one from Lakeshire. So I went ahead and did all the running around on that, did that quest, and went ahead and finished that on up. So now that's not the flight.
Go with honor, friend.
This is the
well
flight.
Met.
So we'll go ahead and fly into Darkshire to do this portion of the quest. This guy's trying to rally the troops to his town because the orcs are so close, but not realizing that Westfall and Darkshire have basically the same problems with their own enemies. Westfall, you have the Defias and the kobolds and the gnolls, and in Darkshire it's even worse. You got all manner of undead and worgen, and not to mention that crazy hermit in Stitches. I just love the transition. It's just so foreboding. It really is like you're in like Death Knell, or I mean, it's just so creepy. Okay. I might do deliveries to Sven, actually. Where is that one at? The Hermit deliveries to Sven. I might actually do that one. Let's see.
Well met.
You appear to have traveled from afar, Mage. What business do you have here in Darkshire? Thank you for making the long journey here. This is indeed important information. If I did not know Magistrate Solomon personally, I would say the man has gone mad. Send the Night Watch to Lakeshire because Stormwind refuses aid? The Night Watch was formed because Stormwind left us when this foul magic seeped into the land. If I sent my Night Watch, this town would be overrun by evil before the guards even reached the forest edge. Take this letter of response to your master in Lakeshire.
For the Alliance.
Light be with you. Light bless you.
Don't want to do this one now. Because literally I was thinking of running out to that section of Darkshire, because I think there's another quest that you pick up to kill some spiders, which I believe are at my level. So this would be, that would be the 19th quest. That one will be the 20th. Let's see. Let me just go
Need
ahead and
help?
pick it up.
Farewell.
And let's see if it's one that we can actually do without getting obliterated by Stitches out here. So I think Stitches is on his way. Let's see what happens. I'm almost at level to do some of these. Some of the people around here are like 24. I still think I have a few more quests to finish up before I can start questing here. Maybe just kind of maybe bounce back between this zone. Oh, there's Stitches. Run away. Stitches would obliterate us. Oh no. Yep. I might die. Oh, thank God. Whew. Boy, that one worried me, because he would have obliterated us probably in 2 hits. He's level 50, I think, or 60 even. No. It's level 50 elite, maybe? Anyway, against a level 19 Clothy, yeah, that wouldn't have been a fair fight. The problem is there's going to be a quest up here to pick up, but I bet they're dead. There's a camp of guards up here, and they may all be dead. All these dead people on the path. Corpse of Verdier. Who are you? I thought it would give information about who the player was. So the quest is up here, 8-legged menaces. It's a level 21, so it might be that I could, if it's up here, I might be able to grab it, finish it, and deliver the stuff to Sven, and then probably run over to, oh good, they're up here. So they've rezzed or respawned. So probably what I'll do is I'll do that. I'll turn this quest, I'll do this quest, kill the spiders, give the stuff to Sven, and then run over to Westfall.
Go with honor, friend.
Again, I hope you all are doing well and progressing your characters along if you're able to play in the Season of Mastery. I know I've got a few people that have been watching my videos and commenting and telling me that they really like what I've got going on because they're not really able to play themselves. And like I said, I will be doing with either the gnome or another character. I haven't decided fully yet what the gnome is going to be. I will be doing a proper playthrough where the only times I'll play that character will be when I'm recording. So you guys will be a part of that one along with me. And that will allow me to, because the mage is what I'm going to be considering my main. And I probably will slowly drift away from recording so much with this character. Not to say that I won't still kind of drop in just so we can kind of check progress, but won't necessarily be my main that I'll continue to play. But I don't know. You guys let me know if you would like to see more of the mage, and I may just stick with the mage. Oh, 25. That's not one of the spiders I need for the quest. And this is also pointing me to, oh, Jitters. Well, let's go finish up Jitters. or let's let this spider kill us. Let's see what happens. Oh, thank God. Oh, you know what? I think the spiders that we need are more along the coast. And those are more my level. The only other real problem with me doing much recording, if any at all, is there is going to, especially at this time of year, there's just going to be long stretches, I think, where I just won't be able to record.
You need something?
I plan to be able to record maybe an episode, or two during the week, maybe more depending on my schedule. And then maybe on the weekends, like I said, it's hit or miss. Sometimes I've got time, sometimes I don't. Like today, it's a Saturday and it's 8 o'clock at night. This is the first chance I've had to kind of sit down and concentrate on making a video. So it's kind of the way it goes. But anyway, we've found Jitters. Jitters is a poor, troubled soul, and we'll learn more about him as we do more quests out here. But let's see what Jitters has to say here. So, no, please don't kill me. It's just me, Jitters. They're everywhere. I can't escape them. Monsters in Ravenhill? No. Couldn't be. Only harmless Jitters.
Have a good one.
Nice.
Good day to you.
I've been stuck hiding in this ghost town for weeks, and I haven't eaten anything but grubs and weeds. I need some decent food, and I'm willing to trade for it. Bring me a feast, and I'll pay you handsomely. I heard Chef Gruel at the Scarlet Raven Tavern in Darkshire makes very good dusky crab cakes.
See you later.
Okay, we're full up on quest 20 to 20. But should be able to kill some spiders, take those back and turn them in, and then I should be able to complete my quest over here with Sven. Because they're going to pump me up. Yeah, there we go, level 20. That's more like it. Oh, they're very clouded, clustered together too. Let's see. Oh, for the love of God. Look what I did. Now, it's been a hot little minute since I've played. Oh, thank you, random person, for the buff. Yeah, that spider's going to reset because that's that guy that didn't want him. Oh. So we'll be able to double up this quest with another quest. That's going to be cool. The crunchy spider legs, which I think is the Red Ridge Goulash. Yeah, that'll be nice. Oh boy, this could get me in trouble. Oh, no social aggro, thank God. What was that? Oh, that'll be a nice one. Oh, dummy. Well. Spider silk, that's for something, I think. Well, heck, it sells for 3 silver a piece. That's got to be, I bet that's for crafting. Crafting something, I'm sure. Nice. And look at this dude, popping right back up. Oh, nice. Got the frostbite for the win. For the win, double frostbite. Triple him up. Boom. Let's see, is he going to pop right back up? No. Okay, well, almost got that one quest, but let's get back on this quest. Let's get back on killing the pygmy venom spiders. Because they're the ones that count, not the ones that I just killed a crap ton of. At least I was getting the other item for the other quest. There we go. Okay, I do have a talent point. Let's see. Shortened up the fire, improved frostbolt, or what do we do? Let's shorten that. So we are using it. So let's shorten that time down. Let's see, is that a spider or a coyote? Nope, it's one of our spiders. It got frostbite just from hitting my ice armor. That's pretty awesome when that can happen. Really? What was up with that? Oh, just stand there and he'll respawn right in front of our face. Oh. Mm-hmm. That's interesting. I think that spawn point got shared between that spider twice and then that starving coyote. That's interesting. The pygmy venom spiders all farmed out. No, not quite. Eh. Random. Top Shelf is now recruiting for leveling and more as we progress. Feel free to ask anyone for help. You got it, dude. So I'm at that stage now, I think, with my leveling, my tailoring, that I need to start holding some of the linens that I get back for first aid, because I can create my own food. It's also nice to have first aid to just kind of pop on, like basically just a quick heal. And I think you can bandage yourself anytime, like no matter what point you are in combat. You can, so especially with Mage, I can sheep if I'm in combat. I can't eat, but you can bandage. So, and especially if you don't have any health pots, or if maybe you used one for mana, or you already used a health pot and you're still kind of low on health and need a quick little fix. Do I need hell, no, I don't actually. So this area is kind of farmed out. I think there's a paladin that's been kind of running back and forth like I have, killing the same things. Nothing like it was in the beginning few weeks. And it's hard to believe that it's been a few weeks. Enjoying my time here. Hope you guys, if you're playing along, hope you're enjoying your time as well. And if you're just watching the videos and doing like I used to do and just basically playing vicariously through somebody else that's playing, I hope you're enjoying your time here with me. People probably think I'm a shill for Warcraft, and I would say I don't. I complain about a lot of stuff that the game kind of has done, but it's still a lot better than a lot of the games out there. And it's a darn near 20-year-old game. And it's not perfect, but to me it's still better than a lot of other options out there. That's going to get on my nerves. Okay. And I don't know if we have any college football fans that are watching. It's been an interesting day for college football. I myself am a Tennessee fan. Oh, you know what? I'm an idiot. I need to go turn in this quest because I can get a quest from them to kill these wolves, I think. I am a Tennessee fan, and Tennessee is kind of had an up and down season. They won. They did win today. But the interesting game was the Michigan-Ohio State game. I think everyone assumed that Ohio State was just going to win, and they got throttled pretty much.
Need help?
All right. You look a sturdy type, Mage. Have you come to join our fights? Ah, these supplies will be most useful. The aid of the Caravan family is always appreciated. Here is a little something for your trouble.
For the Alliance.
And he has Sven's Revenge, and he has, Wolves at Our Heels. That's the one I want.
Hey there.
Sven and I have dangerous days ahead of us, what with the Necromancer to the east and all, and that is... I always thought it was Abercrombie, but it could also be... What's the other one? Morladim? Is that the one I'm thinking of? There's two of them. There's like Morladim, and then there's another one. Very similar name. but they're referring to a necromancer to the east and all. And out here alone as we are, we have to hunt for our own food. It seems every time I'm heading back to camp with some meat on me, starving or rabid direwolves come out of the forest wanting a bite. It goes without saying, living out here is dangerous work. But if you can rid us of some of those wolves, we'd have an easier time of it. They mostly prowl north and east of here, near the river. So he wants us to kill 12 starving direwolves and 8 rabid direwolves. Then return to him. To Lars and Sven camp at the western border of Duskwood, because they're going to pump you up.
Safe travels.
And again, there's probably not, but maybe a handful of you that get that reference. If you get that reference, please comment, because we should be friends. And if you don't get the reference, that's quite okay. You're probably a little younger than I am. And that's okay. I've come to grips with the fact that, there's people younger than me, and I'm okay with it. So now I can start killing these things and get credit for them while I'm waiting for the spiders to respawn. Oh, he slowed him down quite a bit. Oh, and got him. Got him. Oh. Scratching himself while he's getting an ice bolt to the face. How interesting. And this is where my OCD kicks in, because normally I would have skinned that guy, but no skinning on this character. And I won't be skinning on my gnome either, which will be another weird one for me to handle. But I will be doing engineering, which I have never, ever, ever in the history of ever done. I've never done engineering. What? Oh, that's okay. That looked like a big-ass spider there for a minute, but it's just the venom web spiders. But whew, it scared me. I do not like spiders. Let's get that dot on you. Freeze you in place with frostbite, which is awesome. I'll just wail away on you. Eesh. Got him again. Frostbite for the win, people. Love it. Now, dare I drink? Somebody's fighting a spider. I hear it in the background. Ooh, an 85 crit. Nice. I'll have to go back and watch the video. Did that crit stun him? Or did he just freeze and I just didn't notice it? Ooh, a crit with the wand at 38. That's nice. Are you going for that spider? You are, aren't you? You are. God, that scares me every time. It just doesn't look like a Out of mana. I should be okay. Nope. Not okay. Very not okay. Oh, thank you. Please die, spider. Thank you. Whew. That dude saved my bacon. Oh boy. You guys may or may not hear some singing in the background. I believe that would be my son in the shower. All I can do is just apologize. Oh, poison. It's one thing, if I do, I need to hang on to, I believe it's the venom sacs. I think you can craft anti-poison. I resisted this poison somehow. Oop. I think you can craft an anti-poison or an anti-venom in first aid with those venom sacs. There's a lot of mages out here doing the same quest. And literally, I think it's not very exciting, but about all we can really do is just kind of run back and forth between the, up and down the bank. There's a couple of the what we need on this side, but not too many. And it looks like that guy is going straight. Let's see. Is he going for the wolf or is he going for the spider? He's going for the wolf, or he's going for the spider. I'll go for the wolf. Is that yet another mage, right? Yep. I'm telling you, mage is popular. They are a little bit overpowered. And even if you don't totally know all the intricacies of how to play the mage, they are slightly overpowered. There's a lot of things that they can do. that may or may not be fair. But Pygmy Venom. Can I do this? Pull one back. There's another wolf and a green recluse. I don't know what kind of path those things are taking. There's the wolf. But while there's two over there, I want to grab them both. Okay, up to 12. That's good. And now I can take out this wolf, I think. We do need him. Maybe I don't leave myself in the situation. Which I did. Not enough mana. That's okay. I think between this and my mana regen, which will get me to at least a Frostbolt, or he can get himself with my ice armor. Rabies. Yikes. Yikes. That's a nasty one. It's 10 minutes too. And I couldn't even, yeah, it's a disease. I don't think I could dispel that. I can do curses, but I think mages can do curses or disease, or maybe it's curses. No, maybe it is diseases. No, it's curse. Dispel curse. I think I'll find out at 20, because I think I get it at 20. Okay, I think there's one over here. Yes. All right, 14 and 15 on that one. Let's see what's left. You didn't wait around long enough. Venom Web. I don't need the Venom Web, but I do need the Starving. Wow, he aggroed from quite a ways away. Oh, nice. Frostbite. Oh, that wolf is kicking our butt. That's the last one. Let's go ahead and take our shot. Let's see if I can get that regen. Boom. Got it. Oh, you know what? I probably should have taken some of that blood sausage. I'm going to make an executive decision. I'm going to go ahead and turn in this quest and see if by chance it leads to anything else. It might chain into something I can't rightly remember. And then what we may do is we may head in to town to get started on the Jitters quest, because we got to get some stuff for this guy's dusky crab cakes. Killer wind. And once we do that, then what we may do is we may fly into Westfall and turn in that quest. Gosh, the travel in this game. Nasty little area over there with some Worgen, whatnot, I believe. There's some ogres over in that direction too. He died there. Uh-oh. Oh boy, he's killing our guards. Thank you. You've already got it. Mr. Janus, you made a mistake, son. Okay, we're level 20 and he's question mark instant death elite to us. So there is that. I just want the guards to resurrect so I can turn in my quest. Oh, come on. I'll tell you what, we are at about 50 minutes. I'm just going to end the episode here, take a quick break. We'll pick right back up, and we'll do another episode here in just a few minutes that will pick up right after this one. Stay tuned.